Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some spaghetti. And these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. We have some chopped garlic, some chopped onion, some ground beef. It's 80/20. And then we have some ground Italian sausage. And for seasoning, I will be using salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, parsley flakes. Then we're going to use some garlic powder, some granulated onion, and some granulated garlic. And for the pasta, we're going to use rigatoni. This is all I had in the house, so that's what I'm using. Oh yeah, and of course, you're going to need spaghetti sauce. Now I added about probably 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in the pan because I don't want the meat to dry out too much, although we're going to drain the meat after it's completely cooked. But I just want to make sure we have enough oil in the pan to get the meat started to cook and to also cook the onions and the garlic as well towards the end. Now here I'm just adding a little bit of seasoning. I'm not going to put too much in there. Probably used about a teaspoon of each because the sauce is going to actually be flavoring meat, in the dish. And also, really don't have to go heavy on the seasoning because I have that Italian sausage in there as well. Now what I'm doing right here, I'm just breaking up the meat so that I won't end up with big, gigantic chunks of meat in the sauce. Like we're not making meatballs, we're just making a meat sauce. So you want to break up the meat just enough to where you have, little hearty pieces of meat in there, but not too much to where you have like taco meat. That's what you do not want to have. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the onions and the chopped garlic. I usually add that at the end, like I said, because it don't really take that long for them to cook. So we're gonna go ahead and add them in and just incorporate them, mix them up, and let them get translucent and soft. Now that the onions and the garlic has cooked down a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and just toss in all of the sauce. You can use your favorite spaghetti sauce. Doesn't really matter what brand. And yes, I do put a little bit of sugar in my sauce. I know some people don't do it. Some people do. I'm one of those people who do. So don't judge. Now I'm just going to throw the top on and just let it sim for a little bit so the sauce can get nice and warm. And I'm going to go ahead and start on the pasta. Now I highly suggest that you follow the instructions on the back of the pasta package that you have. That's the best bet to make sure your pasta comes out the way you want it. Now that the sauce is heated through, it looks amazing, it smells amazing. All that's left is to plate it and devour it. As always, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe.